Once you've set up your Phantom wallet, the next step is to fund it. You can purchase Solana on any of your favorite exchanges that support it. For this example, I'm using Coinbase, where I already have an account that I've hooked up my bank account to. So I'm going to be purchasing Solana with fiat money. Once I've logged into Coinbase, I'm going to click buy or sell and select my currency. And for this example, we're just going to buy $10. Once you've purchased your Solana, you will see it on your balance sheet in the assets page. We can now send our Solana from our Coinbase wallet to our Phantom wallet by clicking the Send Receive. Coinbase is a custodial wallet, meaning they hold your keys for you and you don't own your assets on chain, while Phantom is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have your secret keys and directly own the assets on chain. We will now send our $10 of Solana to our Phantom address. To find my Phantom address, I'm going to go to Phantom extension where I had already entered my password, so I'm logged in. And then I'm going to click the wallet at the top to copy my address to my clipboard and then paste that wallet address here, give myself a note, and continue. It's usually best practice to do a test transaction the first time you're sending to a new wallet, meaning send a small amount to make sure it goes through correctly. But because Coinbase enforces a minimum, we're just going to go with our whole $10. Send now. Now that the transaction is complete, I will check my Phantom wallet to ensure I received my Solana. Depending on the speed of the network, this could take a minute, so if you don't see it right away, just refresh. I now see my $10 of Solana in my Phantom wallet and my transaction is complete.